tight to form a simple knot. Now let's begin with the right foot. Create 2 loops with the laces just like bunny ears. Cross the loop over each other and pull them through the opening underneath. Tighten the loops and secure the knots. You're done. Now let's switch to the left foot. Cross your laces and tie a simple knot. Create 2 loops with the laces just like before. Cross the loops over each other and pull them through the opening underneath just like we did earlier, and you're done. This video is for anyone looking to master shoelace tying quickly and efficiently. Whether you are a beginner or want to refine your technique, we got you covered.